Oh man, we got some updated information on Real-Debrid. And if you didn't see my last video where I did a basic breakdown on the rise and fall of this service, well, people are not too happy about the service not being able to use for what people have used it for years. So I just want to break down some of the comments they're getting and some of the negative reviews they've been getting spammed with. And also, I think later next week, we're going to try to contact Real-Debrid directly to get their comments on piracy and what their future direction is. And also, I'm kind of interested and I want to do some more research finding out who else uses their service, because this is a pretty big switch up for them, especially since they know what their service has been using for years. I'm sure they can't say that out loud, legal reasons, but I certainly can because that's kind of the assumption from everything you find online. Let's talk about it. Also, subscribe down below. So I'm going to give you the quick recap on what exactly happened with Real-Debrid and how they are, at least on the surface, kind of killing their business, I guess. Now, if you missed my last video, you can check it out. I'll maybe link it right above here. But essentially what they're doing is they are filtering out keywords, which are the links basically, right? So if it has a certain keyword like web rip or AMZN, they are essentially not allowing you to click it because of potential copyright reasons, which is totally understandable, by the way, if you're a company. But what's not understandable is the response they've had. So if we take a look here, this was a response that somebody posted, and we can actually see it. Let me show you if we scroll down here. So this was I found the main post from the guy. So the guy posted this and he said, request for refund, banned for good. Hi, I don't usually feel the need to complain or give bad reviews, but I wanted to speak with my own experience to alert people that they will get themselves into with signing up with Real-Debrid. I had signed up with them using a 90-day subscription, which was going really well, but then they posted about them changing their service, so some shows and movies may not be available anymore, and I want a refund because, whether they are going to keep running it just after I had purchased a subscription. Real-Debrid team got back to me to my ticket very fast, which was impressive. Great. Good customer service. Love that. However, they are quite rude with their responses. My account received a refund, but they collected the money again. I don't really know what to say about that. Hopefully, I receive it in a few days. When I try to subscribe to the service, you cannot because they ban you and tell you to find a different service. You can't use them anymore. And here was one of their responses. So you are the reason why we are in trouble for our piracy activities by not respecting our terms. So yes, you have been blocked, and we will be more than happy to share your details to copyright owners. Now, I'm not sure if this was an official response on their support platform or where this was actually posted. Now, when I originally made this video, I didn't even realize this was all the way back in 2024, so nearly 2 years ago. So now we get the changes. Now, this was closer to when Real-Debrid started facing what seems like legal pressure, at least, to basically stop their service being used by piracy or for piracy reasons. Now, as you guys may be aware, Real-Debrid is pretty commonly used through streaming apps. We don't have to go into that. We know how it's used. It's probably not legally used in a lot of different ways, and they might have it in their terms of service where you can't, but we all know, and they damn well know what it's used for. So I do want to make sure I correct my information and say this was back in 2024. Now, over on Trustpilot, we can see them starting to really get some people, some disgruntled users posting more information. Completely useless now. Been on an avid user for 3 to 4 years, and now I can't stream anything. I'm paid till July, and it's completely useless. Was good while it lasted. It's dead in the water now. Very few viable links, I'm assuming is what they meant. They will still happily take your money. I have 148 days left on utterly useless subscription. And so they're not exactly getting the best reviews here. And you can see even back May 19th, useless, useless, useless. So they are starting to really get spammed with more people essentially saying this is useless. And what I find interesting is you do find more information on their subreddit, but it's hard to find. And I heard they were deleting some posts. I can't confirm this as of now, but I saw some comments saying they were deleting some posts on the Real-Debrid subreddit on the issues they're having. So, what I really want to do is try to get in contact with the company, and I will reach out to them just to get some further information on what their thoughts are. I don't think they'll answer me on their service knowingly being used for piracy over the last, I don't know, 8 plus years, maybe longer. Now, I guess we could say knowingly in quotations, whether they admit that or not, I'm assuming they won't. But, it's pretty widely availably seen around the internet as being used for that. And now with the switch up, and also curious, who uses their service outside of that? Because I don't really know the answer to that, which is also pretty interesting. Now, I know Troy Point does have a list of alternatives you can use. I will put a link down below in the description to his article if you guys want to check it out. But I just wanted to update you on this topic and that people are not happy with the changes. And yeah, it doesn't seem great for Real-Debrid. So I do think my last video holds. It is RIP. Like always, guys, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you later. Bye.